In this video, we're going to build a simple expert advisor that adds a trailing stop to sell positions, basically the reverse of the trailing expert buy that we made in the previous video. So as price moves in our favor, the stop loss will trail downward, locking in more profit while reducing the risk. So let's get started. First, open the meta editor by clicking the IDE icon in MT5. Then click New Expert Advisor from Template, Next, and then we need to give the file a name. I'll call mine Trail Expert Cell, but obviously you can name yours whatever you like. When you've done that, you click Next, then Next, and finally Finish. Now we can delete everything above the onTick function and also remove the 2 comment lines at the bottom. Now we begin by including the standard trading library. This will give us access to the ctrade class, which simplifies trade execution and modifications. Let's now create an instance of ctrade trade. This trade object will handle all of our trading logic. So now we need to get the bid price and open a test trade. To do that, we retrieve the current bid price for the chart symbol. We use normalized double with digits to ensure correct formatting, whether it's 3 or 5 decimal places, depending on the instrument. Now we'll open the test trade, but only if no positions are currently open. Again, just like in the previous video, this is just for demonstration purposes so we can see the trailing stop working. In a real system, you'd want to use proper entry signals. Now let's call our custom function to manage the trailing stop. Of course, this function doesn't actually exist yet, so we'll need to create it now. We will define the function like this. Inside, we calculate the new stop level, which is 150 points above the current bid price. We now loop through all the open positions. For each one, we first need to check if the position belongs to the same symbol as the current chart. Then we check if the position is a sell trade. If both are true, then we retrieve the position's ticket number. Next, we get the current stop loss. We compare them. If the current stop loss is above the desired stop level, we update it using trade.position modify, and this ensures that the stop trails down properly. So now we are done with this. Click compile. You shouldn't see any errors or warnings. Go back to MetaTrader 5, click view, strategy tester, select the file that we just created, and then press start. You should now see the trailing stop moving down automatically as price falls in your favor. And that's it. You've just built a trailing stop expert advisor for sell positions using just a few lines of code. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.